Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back at it with another operation today here at Blue Springs Ranch. Today we're going to be putting this temporary bridge up for our lady over in Clear Lake, and we're just getting skid steer loaded up, get this old heifer chained down, and then we'll be out of here. Well, I don't care how many times you always say, that ain't going nowhere. Always get out and check your chains. Kind of like to see what it's a temporary bridge for a widow over in Lake County. We got the excavator loaded up to move around with and dig some spots for it to sit in over this little creek we're going to. And should be alright. Everything's buttoned down. Done check the chains and everything. And we ain't got no AC in the truck, so should be alright. 98-degree Northern California weather. Here we go.
Look at the beauty of it.
Daggum.
And Bernier.
Well, I tell you, boys, we were flogging it over here. Made some record time. Just whistled out there, trailer back up that 200-yard driveway. Now we're fitting to get crazy with it. Okay, so we're gonna unstrap this thing and see if the excavator picked it up. We actually haven't tested that yet, so it could be exciting. That end down and just pick up that end and try to drag it across. Unless he can make it. Ah, mint, bruh. And there she sat, boys. Okay, so what happened here?
This was a property of a lady that her defunct relatives moved into and filled it with all this beautiful debris. Then a fire came, burned out a bridge, not this one, and then a flood came and washed away what was here where we just put this bridge. So
what most of us would consider a rough scene, but you know, as the good book says, look after the widow and the fatherless. So
correct.
Here we are doing our yeoman's work.
Yes.
Almost like we planned it, boys. Almost like we planned it. Alright, well, we got her in. Transitions are pretty decent. The dirt actually around here is pretty compactable, so that was a blessing. And it looks like to be able to get a truck in and out of here to get this rubbish cleaned up. So we're going to get the excavator loaded back up on the trailer, strap it down, and get out of here. Get some fuel at the fuel station and call it a day.
Beautiful.
If you're looking to roll up your 4-inch strap, look no further than the Roll-O-Matic 3000. Behold. Oh. It's a thing of beauty, folks. Boom, done. And we're on to the next. Alright, well, I just got the truck and trailer parked away. Thankfully, everything went pretty smoothly today. Didn't have any major issues. Put a shout out to iRock Landscape Supply up here in Cloverdale. It's actually where I work. For letting us use the truck and the trailer today. to get this project finished out. Would have been a lot more complicated without it, so thankful for that. And thankful we were able to sneak this in before the weekend and get this lady a bridge back so she can get her property cleaned up and hopefully make something happen up there. So thanks guys for watching. We'll catch you guys later.